Look at Toys Day. They were opening
Disney FlipaZoos.
Yep. I'm going to show you what Daisy flips do. Let's get started. Daisy flips to Minnie.
So this is the Disney edition of the FlipaZoos, and they turn into only Disney characters.
Chip's turns to his muzzle.
It's really cute because little Chip has the little handle and his little cute eyes. And then he turns into Mrs. Potts. And the ballroom's back here.
And I'm going to show you what Nemo turns into.
Nemo turns into
Dory.
Dory.
Simba turns into Kaya turns into
Pumba.
Pumba. Mickey turns to Goofy. Fire turns to Sebastian.
So these are really super cute for any Disney lover. They're super soft, and just the mystery part alone is cute. That they turn from different characters to different ones. So they're pretty awesome. She's gonna snuggle dog toys. But what do we tell everybody today?
Bye guys!
Comment below.
Tell me which FlipaZoo you like. This one?
Daisy to Minnie.
This is past Chip. Or Goofy to Mickey. Or him.
Dory to
Nemo.
Nemo.
Or him.
Pumba to,
Kaya.
she calls it Kyan, but it's Simba. Or Sebastian to Flounder.
Bloop, bloop, bloop. These are two fishes, so they swim over the water.
They swim together.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
Don't forget to
Subscribe.
like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.